Okay. Then what was after that? K, K, G, G. What we last time did? Ch, Ch, J, Jh. Okay, let's do a little bit of writing. I'm going to open the whiteboard and I will write and you'll see, and then you will do everything. Okay. So how was a? I'm going to write with a. Please repeat after me. A. E. E. U. U. And then comes Ri. And then we have A. Huh? Sorry. And what is after A? O. Ow. Okay. And then Ang. Aha. Huh? These are the vowels. Okay. Now we do the first line of consonants, which is K se kamal, Kh se खरगोश, G से गणेश, घ से घर, and then ण. Yeah? Isn't it? Is it right? And then what we did last time? Ch, Ch, J से जलेबी, झ से झंडा, अणी. Correct? Let's just speak, huh? Please revise after me. K से कमल, K से खरगोश, खरगोश is rabbit, G से गणेश, गणेश is भगवान गणेश, Lord गणेश, घ से घर, घर is house, and then we have ch से चम्मच, छ से छाता, ज से जलेबी, झ से झंडा, अणी खाली. Okay? Ani. Okay? So what we will learn today we will also, as I was saying, 5 more letters we will learn. And the 5 letters are, so let me show you in the book. These are the 5 letters we will learn today. Can you all see? Ji. So we will learn today ta se tomato. Tomato is tomato. Ta se tomato. As you can see, the origin of the word tomato is actually tomato. And ठ से ठठेरा और ठ से ठग, ठ से ठेला, ठ ठ.
Th.
Hmm? Then
Th.
D say damru. Or D say dalia. Basket is also called as dalia.
Yes.
Damru. How many of you know damru? What is a damru? Okay, we'll talk about that. Then dha se dhapli or dha se dhakkan erne khali. Okay. So, how many of you can you please draw? I'm going to actually open a whiteboard. Can you please draw a tomato for me on the board? Tomato, tomato. Very good. Very good. Okay. So it is very similar to the tomato. And how do we write T? We make a small line and then it is like this. T. T. T-A. The pronunciation is T.
Th.
T. T.
Th.
Tata. Like tata. T.
Th.
Like tata.
Th.
T. T. Tum tum tum.
Th.
T.
Th.
Not the. T. T.
Th.
T.
Th.
T.
Th.
T. 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 Roll
Th.
your
Th.
tongue. Take it back and then say T. T.
Th.
T. Okay. Is it clear? T.
Th. Th.
The next letter is not so different from T, but the pronunciation of the next letter is T. T.
Th.
T.
Th.
Th. And how is it? It is not so different as I said. It is like this. You first make T and then you make a complete circle. And the pronunciation is T-H-A. Tha. Like thigh, thigh. When someone, do the shoot with a pistol, we say the gunshot like thigh, thigh. Tha,
Th. Th.
tha, tha, tha. Very good. Tha, tha.
Th.
Hmm.
Th.
Yeah.
Th. 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 Th.
Okay. Now let's come to the next letter. So the next letter is, can you all draw a basket for me, a fruit basket? Like, how will I draw? It is like this. You can keep some bananas in it. You can keep some grapes in it. So it's a basket, You get the idea? There are some apples in it. Okay. Yes, very good. So what it is called as, there are two names very popular in India. One is like say tokri. Tokari. Tokari. Okay. And a very popular another name is dalia. Dalia. Dahlia is more of a smaller basket and tokri can be big. You know, the big baskets. If you'll go to the fruit market, you will see now actually everything is more in the cartons and the wooden boxes. But in India, if you'll go to the vegetable market, if you will still find fruit vendors selling vegetables and fruits in big baskets, and they can be tokri. Hmm? And dalia is the small basket. Okay, now how do we write the? Again, it's very easy. Sorry. So we take E. You know how to write E. E we write like this. You remember? E and E like this. So we are not going to draw the tail of this. That's it. And this is D. D. This is E. E. But we are not drawing this part. So then it becomes D.
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 No. D.
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 Yeah.
D. D.
Yeah. D. Okay.
D.
Okay. Now let's do the next word, which is again not so different, but also quite similar. So that's why it can produce a little bit of confusion. So remember, this is D.
D.
And then we have D. D. Say dhapli. You know, there is a musical instrument which is like this. It's like a drum, but you can hold it in your hand. Hmm? And you play. There is a dark spot here. You beat here and then you beat here. The sounds are very different, huh? I don't know, do you have something like that in Thailand also? Sometimes it can also have some jingles here on the side corner, and that is called as dhapali. So how do we write this dhapali? We basically first make t and we give it a knob here and it becomes t. And the pronunciation is D-H-A, dha. So this is
D.
d, this is dha. Is it clear?
D. D.
Yeah.
D. D. D.
Dha. So can you pronounce with me? This is d,
D.
dha,
T.
dha.
T.
You see, the noise of the H has to be clear in your voice. Dha.
D. D.
It's like almost you're pushing it out. Dha.
D. D.
Very good. This is d, this is dha.
D. T.
Yeah. And the last one, which is Ani, again, this is very much used in all many kind of Sanskrit, but we will study, and it is like a U with a line, and it is called as Ani. The same pronunciation, Ramayana, Ra, Ra. So we have, we have a very, very beautiful book which is called as Ramayana, which is the story of Bhagwan Ram. So Ramayan. In Hindi, we will write like this: Ramayana. Ramayana. Ra. Ra. Okay, please write now. Ra. Okay. Very good. No.
The.
Hmm.
L.
Okay. So you see, so far we have learned, I think I want to remind you, we have learned this word few times. Huh? One time it is written like this. Other times it was rani, not actually na. And today we have learned rna. They are very similar pronunciation. Rna, ani, la. Okay. But as I said, these are the words which come more, very much in more Sanskrit. Okay. So we don't have to worry too much about it. Okay. So what we learned today, could you all repeat after me? Ta, se, tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato yani tomato. Ha, th, th. Th se thela. You see, we have this, you also have probably in thela is something which can be pushed by a person, man or a woman, and it can carry stuff. It has two wheels, huh? One side this and on the other side. Hmm? Thela. Then becomes damaru. Now, what is the we said that we will talk about this damaru, huh? Let's talk about this damaru. So, have you seen in India we have Bhagwan Shankar, Shiv. Have you heard about him? He plays this drum and it has string. So, when you move it with the thing, these strings go and hit this side and this side, and it creates a wonderful noise. I will send a video of drums playing so that you can see. Okay, maybe I'll find something. Let me find something. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Okay. So this is Damaru.
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 Damaru. Okay. And now we have the last word which we have read today is dha. And which is this. Okay. So dha is dha, as we talk about dha se dhapli, but also dha se dhakkan. For example, look at this. Here, this is a bottle. And this has a cap, and this is the lower part. So in Hindi, with the caps, all kind of caps are also called as dhakkan. For example, this is bottle, bottle ka dhakkan. Then we have pen, pen ka dhakkan. You know, the lid of the pen. Okay. Um, this is a box. Just a minute. Here. This is a box. Box ka dhakkan. Dhakkan. So any lid, even for the pots and pans, the lid that you put, it also called as dhakkan. Dhakkan. Dha se dhakkan. Okay? Dha. And the last word which you anyway learned is ana. Ana. So let's write all the words today. What we have learned today is ta,
ठ
ठ ड
ड ठ
ढ ण ट
ल
THA ठ
ड
ड DHA ढ
ढ
ओके
ठ ठ ध
and this is ana
ल
okay very good well done okay so let's revise so right now if we do only the consonants how much what we have learned is k
क
kh
ख
g
ग
gh
ख
ण
ल
then the second one was what was the second
च
one ch
च
sorry ch
च
ch
च
j
च
jh
च
honey and today what we learned t th
थ थ
d
द
ढ
ध
honey
ल
is it clear
yes
can you try to read this on your own please little bit louder from top from k
च
mm,
च
g
ख ख
gh
ख ल
ण
ल च
ch
च
ch
च
j jh
च
ण honey
द
t th
थ
d
द
th
थ
Hmm.
ल
Okay, clear? Hmm. Okay, so who wants to tell me what we did last time? Because we also have to remember them. K, kh, g, gh, ane. Ch, ch, j, jh, ane. T, th, d, dh, ane. Do you want to try? Someone wants to try? Huh? No? Okay, let's do a test. Please write for me on the board. Please write for me G. Say Ganesh. Very good. Very good. Well done. Now please write for me K. Say Kabutar. Very good. Very good. Okay, well done. Wait. Now please write for me. ख से खरगोश. ख. ख से खरगोश. Very good. Well done. Very good. Okay. Well done. Very good. Now wait. Now please write for me. Gh. Gh से घर. घ से घर. Very good. Very good. Hmm. Now please write for me. च. च से चम्मच. च से चम्मच. Very good. Now I'm removing this. Now please write for me. छ से छाता. Very good. Well done. Now please write for me. ज से जलेबी. Very good. Now please write for me. ट. ट से टमाटर. Not this. What is this? Not triangle. T. Okay. Like this. T. Okay. Now please write ठ. ठ. ठ से ठेला.
ठेला.
ठ से ठेला. ठ से ठग. You know, there is a word which is called in Hindi ठग. So this ठग word is basically a person who cheats someone. We also call Bhagwan Krishna ठग. Thagia, because he has so many stories, so many version, good with everyone, good with good people, bad with bad people. So we call them Thagia. It's a very Braj. There is a region in India which is called the Krishna Bhagwan's region, Mathura, Vrindavan, and in there he's called Thagia. That means someone who can deceive someone based on pure love. Like, the kids will play with their mother and they will do some cheekiness, and that is also called thug. Thug rahe hain. Okay? Not thug, thug. Simple. G. Thug. Okay? T, th, d. Now please write for me. D. Say Damru. You have seen Damru. D. Very good. No dot. D. Very good.
Yeah.
And the last one,
D.
D. D. Say Dhakkan.
D. D.
Dhakkan.
D.
D. Very good. Very good. Good. Okay. Now let's write some more words. Today you have learned some more words. So maybe we can say, there is a word called chat. Chat, pat, chat, pat. Chat. Chat means to eat very quickly. Chat. Chat kar diya. For example, something which is very tasty, and you see that, you buy that, you make that, and it disappears so quickly because it is very tasty. So that is called as chat kar diya. Chat kar diya. Chat kar diya means everything eaten so quickly. So the word is chat. Chat. Right? Very good. Samaswat ji, very right. You are writing not ch. Yes, Samaswat ji, right, right. You're writing correct. T, t. We learned today t. T se tomato. Not k. No, not k. T, t. We learned today t. Yes, very good. Chat, chat, chat. Okay, very good. Okay, now the next word you write is jhat. Jhat. Jhatpat chal. There is we, how do we say? Walk quickly, go quickly, let's go quickly. So we say jhatpat. Jhatpat. Right now you don't know how to write pa, but the word is jhatpat. Jhat. Jhat chalo. Jhat chalo means walk fast. Come with me fast. Jhat. Jha se jhanda and ta. Ta se tomato. Very good. Not cha, jha. 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 Not cha. Huh? Very good. Jhat. Very good. Jhat. Is it clear?
Clear, Guruji.
Okay. Now, for example, there is a word called dhak. Dhak means, for example, you have cooked nice food, but the flies will come or it will get cold. So this comes from dhakkan. Huh? So we put a lid on it. Huh? You made very nice rice, but we don't want it to get it cold. You are going to put a lid on it so that it is, and that is called as dhak. Dhak do. Dhak do. Hmm? Cover it up. Hmm? Dhak. Dh. Very good. Not the dh. Dh. Like this. Dh. Duck. Very good. Duck. Is it clear?
Clear, Guruji.
Okay. So these are the words I think we can make today, but you can make some more words, which is you don't know right now. Cha, cha, chat. There is a very big festival which is celebrated in the state of Bihar. Hmm? And it is basically devoted to the Chatti Devi. So I'll just tell you the story. We have a very big culture which is called when a child is born in India, the sixth day of the born, when the child is born, we have a small ceremony in most of the Hindu families. It is called as Chatti. Why Chatti? Because you can see that maybe there was a time when the mortality rates of kids were very high. So the families will wait up to 6 days so that they will know that the child will actually be there. That's a so sad part because the mortalities, there was a time when they were very long, long, long time back were high. Of course, that's not the case now, but we still have the ceremony which is called as Chatti. Chatti means the celebration of the childbirth on the sixth day, and we have particular dishes which are made, and the child wears nice new clothes, and and all that. And this is basically comes to the Devi Sashti. We have a Devi which is Sashti Devi, which is the sixth. Shashti means sixth. Cha? She is basically the protector of the kids. And during the Diwali time, as you would know, we have one of those biggest festival, Diwali. The state of Bihar celebrates a big festival which is called as Chhat. I mean, sometimes it is also after Diwali, and then there are also seasons, and because she is always the protector of kids. So Chhat means the word come from Shasht. Shasht is sixth, which is from Sanskrit. So the celebration is called as Chhat. 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 So let's write Chhat. Is it the story is clear to you? Chhat. Ch se chhata, ta se tomato. And now people also write this with tha, chat, chat. So the pronunciations may vary or the writing way may vary, but it is still called chat. Chat. Chat or chat. D. You can write d also. Chat. Chat. Very good. Okay? Clear. Now what else we can write? I think that is all we can write. Okay. Uh, because you see, as you will also know, some letters have so many words and some letters have a little bit less words. So this series, the most common word which you will find in mostly used is t. Otherwise, they are less common letters of Hindi Varnamala. There are not too many letters in it. Any questions, any comment, anything you would like to know? Nothing? Okay.
No.
Yes. Yes, Valia ji.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing
Okay.
at all.
Everything is clear for today's lesson?
Priya Guruji.
Okay.
Yeah. Ji.
Very good. So let's just revise what we did. Yes, that's what we are doing, Vanidji. Let's revise what we did today, and then I go to the board again. So what we did today, now you tell me and I will write. What we did today?
T.
T.
Oh.
T. Say tomato. Very good.
Tomato.
Hmm.
The
D. D. Say th. Th.
the
Th. Say thela.
the
Th.
Thera.
Th. Say thela. Th. Say thug. Hmm. What else we did?
द
D. D से डलिया. Basket.
डमरू से
Huh?
डमरू
Yes, D से डमरू, D से डलिया. Very good. What else we did? ढ.
ध
ढ से ढक्कन.
ढक्कन ध
ढक्कन. ढक्कन. And of course, ण.
ड
रामायण.
रामायण
Ramayan. Is it clear for everyone?
जी मैम.
Okay, very good. And what we did last time? च से चम्मच. छ से छाता. छाता. ज से जलेबी. And झ से झंडा.
झंडा.
And of course, ऋणी खाली. And before that, what we did? One more time. क से कबूतर और क से कमल. ख से खरगोश. ग से गणेश. घ से घर. And ण खाली. Clear? Okay. Yes, someone is saying something. Okay. Yeah, have you, is it Dr. Vantipji, is it okay?
छत्ता.
Okay. Everything clear, friend? For what we have done next week, we will learn another 5 letters. And what will be they will be? I will. Was it helpful because I sent a voice note for the pronunciation? Was it helpful for you? So I will send the update. What we will do next week, we will learn another 5 letters. These 5 letters. And as we are going in the lot of 5 and we are revising everything, and slowly in 3 weeks of time, you will finish 3 to 4 weeks of time, you will finish everything. And then of course, we will do the Matra Gyan so that you can start writing and also read stories, which is the most important thing. And when you will read, you will be able to also understand the words and all, because it's very important. If you can read, then you can also explore what does it mean, with dictionaries and everything, which is also the next class. Okay. So thank you very much for your presence. If there is no questions, we can close the class. As you can say, we are going pretty fast. Please do your homework, which is very important, because if you will not write, you will in the end become confused, as some pronunciations are a little bit similar. And in writing, they are different. So if you are a first timer, I know there are many people probably who are just revising, but writing is very important also. So please do your homework. And when you're doing, put your finger on it, pronounce the word properly, because that will help you also to remember and make the difference between the other 2 letters. Okay. So thank you very much for your presence. Thank you. Have a great week ahead. Namaskar.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad.